everyone! So let's discuss paano nga ba ako nagpa-price ng digital products ko on Etsy. So it's actually very simple. Nagbe-base lang talaga ako on my competitors with the same product and same listing. To give you an example, itong Instagram post templates ko for travel agent ay kakalist ko lang like 5 days ago. So how did I come up with the $3.24? So ang ginagawa ko kasi talaga is nagsisearch ako ng same listings on Etsy with the same product. So, search tayo ng travel agent Instagram post. Since 50 items yung akin, yun lang yung listings na papansinin ko. And then, ang ginagawa ko talaga is napili ako ng tatlo. So, first one is yung bestseller na product, which is yun yung magiging basis ko na lowest price. And then, pipili ako nung pinakamahal na makikita ko. And then, yung average lang or yung middle nung unang price, which is the best seller, and yung pinakamahal na nakita ko. So, on this scenario, piliin natin yung 3.30, which is the best seller. Then, next is itong pinakamahal, which is the 9.9. And then, itong middle lang, or yung average, which is 4.59. If you can see this 9.9 na sobrang mahal, walang naka-add to cart or walang nabili, even though nagamit siya ng ads. So, hindi tayo magpa-price ng ganyan. Now, this 4.59, mura siya, pero wala ring demand. How would you know na may demand? So, let's check this 3.30. See, it's best seller, tapos may nakalagay pa na 20 plus carts, meaning 20 people have added this product on their cart. So, people are buying this and willing to pay this amount for this product. So, yeah, yun yung nagiging basis ko. And ang ginagawa ko talaga to really stand out is binababaan ko siya ng konti. So, minsan binabawasan ko ng 10 pesos or 20 pesos para lang makita na mas mura yung sa akin. Tapos, I really suggest to put regular sale on your shop, 40%, 50%, up to 70% kasi it captures the buyer minsan. And another tip din is try offering bundles. So, for example, nagbibenta ka ng mga digital arts or SVGs. So, may mga listing ka for each one of your listing, di ba? Dapat meron ka ding parang listing for get this 5 digital art and save 20%. Kasi I noticed na yung mga buyers on Etsy, they love to buy bundles. Lalo na sa mga stickers, SVGs, digital arts, and even Canva templates actually. And in that way, you can charge them more personally. Doon talaga ako kumikita sa mga bundles na in-offer ko like cleaning business bundle, Airbnb rental business bundle. And of course, you have to consider the Etsy fees, which for me, yun yung puhunan mo kasi talaga on Etsy, which is 11 pesos. So as much as possible, wag kayo mag-price ng product na less than 100 pesos kasi baka malugi lang kayo. Overall, wag nyo masyadong gawing complicated yung pricing ng digital products kasi ang kino-consider nyo lang naman talaga is yung oras nyo dun sa paggawa ng product, unlike on physical products na dapat you have to consider yung materials, yung labor, yung overhead, and even shipping costs. And the good thing is digital products can be sold repeatedly even though isang beses mo lang siya gawa and you can adjust the price anytime. So yun lang, I hope it helps. Bye-bye!